Hello students, let us study the next part of this lesson. Sue too looked out of the window, but there was nothing to see, only an old ivy vine, gnarled and decayed at the roots. Here, gnarled means here twisted, and decayed means rotten. Climbed halfway up the brick wall. The cold breath of autumn, it was autumn season, that had taken away most of the leaves. Means in autumn season some trees shed their leaves. Only the skeleton branches were left, clinging to the bricks. Means they were making a sound. "What is it, dear?" asked Sue. "6," said Johnsy. She told just the number. "They are falling faster now. 3 days ago, they were almost 100. That means she was counting the ivy vine leaves. "It made my head ache to count them. But now it's easy. There goes another one. There are only 5 left now." Thus you ask, "5 what, dear?" "Leaves on the ivy vine. When the last one falls, I must go too. I have known that for 3 days. Didn't the doctor tell you?" She questioned again Sue. "Oh, I never heard of such nonsense," said Sue. "What have our old ivy vine leaves to do with your getting well? Is there any relationship? And you used to love that vine so. Don't be silly. The doctor said that you had excellent chances of getting well. Take some broth now." Here broth means hot soup. Now let me get back to my work. See the marginal question. What false belief did Chauncey have about the ivy vine? Students, she had a false belief of what? When the last leaves falls, she must also leave the world. That was her false belief. But Chauncey just kept looking out of the window. She didn't leave that. "There goes another. No, I don't want any broth." She refused to take the soup, hot soup. "That leaves just 4. I want to see the last one fall before it gets dark. Then I'll go too." Students, see this, how she is thinking negatively and connecting her life with the leaf of ivy vine. It's actually a wrong one. Johnsy said, "Sue, will you promise me to keep your close eyes and not look out of the window until I am done working?" Means till I complete my work, you should not look out of the window. "I must hand these drawings tomorrow. I need the light. Otherwise, I would have closed the window. I don't want you keep looking at those silly ivy leaves." So Sue told the reason to Johnsy for closing the window or not to look out of the window. "Tell me as soon as you have finished," said Johnsy, closing her eyes. "Because I want to see that last one fall." "Try to sleep," said Sue. "I must call Berman up to be my model for the old man that I am drawing. I will not be gone a minute." Means I will not be gone a minute means I should not waste a single minute here.